Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine, doing very well. So here I'm back again with another very outstanding and the most demanding collection. So in this video I'm going to share with you some beautiful ideas of midi dresses, A-line dresses and maxi dress designs. So in this video you will find the chiffon maxi dresses that are trending in fashion these days for summer season. The prints are so beautiful. You will find the block prints, you will find the floral prints. So this collection is so nice and so elegant and classy as well. All the designs ideas are trending in fashion these days. So for more designs, for more ideas, just keep on watching this video till the end. Don't skip the video. You'll find many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas. And I hope that you're gonna love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you, very useful for you. And guys, if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, latest dress designing ideas, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends. You will find hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel, and I hope that you will also find them useful and helpful for you. So guys, if you're loving these beautiful dresses, so please do like my video. Subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, so please also click the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Do tell me how was the video, how are the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of videos are more useful for you. And please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. Thanks for your appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful ideas for you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear viewers, till the next video. See you soon guys with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my channel.